Well, hello everyone. Hello, welcome. My name is Carolyn, and this is your daily grounding. This is what I've been thinking about today, and I thought I would just pass it on. And hopefully, it will inspire you to look at things just a little bit differently. Configure things in your mind a little bit differently. If you know my story, I have been on the move for nearly a year, and I finally found some permanent home for at least for a while. And caveat, commercial break, for those two people who have helped me along my way, my heart is always yours. Anyway, so this has been on my mind because I moved into my own place and I had to do a lot of organization. And one of the things that was last on my list, because it really doesn't really I didn't realize how much it affected me, was my clothing and what I call my uniform, my wardrobe. And yesterday I went over to IKEA and I bought a simple stand for my clothing because my clothing was in a hall closet, as neatly and tidy as I could get it, but also it was here, there, and everywhere else. I had my undergarments in the laundry area. So everything was everywhere. And so yesterday morning, I got up and I went to IKEA and I bought, let me see if I can show you. I bought one of these stands and I put all my clothing. Yes, ladies, this is all of my clothing. It makes me feel really organized. And as you can see, the area around it is nice and tidy, and it's very easy to see all the things. You might say you don't have a lot, but all the items that I have to wear. And I realized how important that is to be organized and to have everything clean. Now, as you know, I lead a very simple life, but it sort of went askew with me moving from one country to another. But that's my thoughts for today. Is as difficult sometimes and as simple as it can be, being organized is so important because it clears everything up around you so that you can think clearer. And honestly, this was the best, I don't know, maybe it was equivalent to $10. The best $10 I have spent probably in a year. Doesn't say very much about my red lipsticks. And so I would encourage you just to take this thought with you. Are you as organized as you can be? And I'm not saying go out and buy all these containers and everything else, because that can be overwhelming as well. And then you can have too many containers and all that are organized for organization. But keep it simple, because I don't have a chest of drawers. So I have to look at it differently. But so that's my thoughts for the day. And I encourage you just to think about this. Are you as organized as you can be to make your life really simple? I wish everyone a good day. Have a great day. And I will speak with you very soon. Toodles.